Hi there and welcome to our latest look at the classic Greek constellations. Today we're going to look at Libra, the scales, one of the 13 signs of the Zodiac. In fact, Libra is the only Zodiac constellation that represents an object, not an animal or a character from mythology. It doesn't contain any first magnitude stars, but it's home to HD 140283, popularly known as Methuselah star, one of the oldest stars known. Before we look at the stars, may I just say, please subscribe. Subscriptions matter to me. It shows people are interested in what I'm doing. So if you're enjoying this series, please subscribe and stay tuned. Begin with Beta Libra. Now, Beta Libra is the brightest star in the constellation with an apparent magnitude of 2.61, about 185 light years distant from the solar system. Alpha Libra is the second brightest star, a multiple system whose two brightest components form a binary. Alpha 1, the dimmer of the two, has an apparent magnitude of 5.15. Alpha 2 Libra has an apparent magnitude of 2.74, is by far the brightest of the two. Sigma Libra, or Brachium, is a red giant with an apparent magnitude of 3.29 and is 288 light years distant from the Sun. And so to Methuselah, HD 140283, one of the oldest stars believed to have been created shortly after the Big Bang. Nicknamed Methuselah, it is a subgiant that is metal poor, containing almost entirely hydrogen and helium. The iron content is less than 1% of that of the Sun. The star's age is estimated at 4.46 billion years old, which, according to some astronomers, puts it older than the universe, which of course is impossible. However, there is a degree of error built into both the age of Methuselah and the universe, which put them around about the same age. It has an apparent magnitude of 7.20 and is 202.4 light years distant. So it shows that there are very old stars in our Milky Way galaxy. Well, I hope you enjoyed that short look at Libra. It's not one of the most outstanding constellations to look at, but it does have a few interesting objects in it. So take care, dark skies, stay safe, speak to you next time. Thank you for watching, bye for now.